Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show the very beautifully crafted the soft silk material and elegant Yeola Paithani weaves and the copper zari weaves with three unique color combination. Let me show you the first. Here you can see the first baby pink color combination, second one is navy blue with greyish color combination, double tone effect saree with elegant color combination, and last one is a lemon yellow with a pista green color combination saree. This entire collection you received at just 1695, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost, and you can visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can explore exclusive saree more than 5000 plus designs with different category, different style of this print and affordable price point, and you can download our application and Android and iOS device also. Let's start the video. In first product you receive the dual tone effect, the premium quality soft silk material with English green color combination and lemon yellow color fusions with a copper zari weaves to rich pallu and border part. Here you can see the rich pallu with royal heritage Yeola Paithani weaves and entire the pallu parts with a meenakari detailing. Look at the very beautifully crafted the meenakari detailing, rich pallu parts with a golden zari weaves and English green color combination, the resin thread tassels part. Look at the full body part. You receive the thousands of copper zari buttas and entire the body parts with a small size, and both side you receive the namely artistically designs in both side of this border part. Let me show you the softness of this saree. Here you can see the premium quality soft silk material, light weighted breathable fabric and affordable price point. This saree you received at just rupees 1695. This premium quality delicate fabric, so must be wear carefully. Let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece you receive the same English color combination, the plain blouse piece with copper zari weaves, the elegant geometric designs, the contrast fusions blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like G.I.D., share G.I.D., subscribe G.I.D., our YouTube channel, and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand IND. Daily we are launching different style of this saree and affordable price point, and as usual the premium quality. Let's start the second product. In second product you receive the something different color combination. If you look like a grayish with a navy blue color fusions in double tone effect, the premium quality soft silk material. Let me show you the full look of this saree. Same design, only color difference. Here you can see the rich pallu with a copper zari fusions and meenakari Yeola designs in a namely artistically fusions, the rich pallu and purple color combination, the resin thread tassels part. Look at the full beauty of this body parts with a copper zari weaves in entire the body with a, let me show you the closely of this very beautifully crafted the meenakari detailing of this border part. Here you can see the namely artistically designs with a copper zari fusions. This saree you received at just rupees 1695, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Here you can see the plain same body color combination blouse piece. Our customer care number is 8154000063, Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. You can call anytime with a total 6 multi-language support we are providing: Hindi, English, Gujarati, Telugu, Tamil and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing. And one more thing, we are launching our video call shopping facility right now, so you can must be connect our customer care number one day before for the video call shopping, and we are show you our entire collection via video call facility, and you can happy shopping. Let's start the last product. The baby pink color combination look like a peachish color combination, and sometime you receive the light chico color combination. Here you can see the peachish pink color combination with very beautifully crafted the copper zari weaves the border part, same designs with a rich pallu, light weighted. This saree you received at just rupees 1695, free shipping all over India. Look at the rich pallu with the same designs, different color tone. Here you can see the copper zari weaves, the rich pallu, and both side you receive the same size border part with a light peach color combination with adbhuta maina, the copper zari buttas and entire the body part. Here you can see, and same as usual the premium quality soft silk material. This saree you received at just rupees 1695, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost with the same body color combination plain, blouse piece. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi. Buy now at Vastranand.in.